everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E é detalhado sobre o vídeo do Instabot, curar niveles e outras funções.
3% logo ne hi mere channel ko subscribe.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara mengatur.
皆さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法。
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! There are literally 5 top feature ideas I would like to share with you that would make our Discord experience even better. The first feature is Offline Members List. This feature is already present, but it's not for the servers with over 1,000 members. Wouldn't it be cool if they add Offline Members List too? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. Before we get to the next feature, I want to let you know that only 5.1% of you have subscribed to my channel. Let's increase this percent so you can have a better chance to claim free Nitro with the latest Nitro news. The second that I would like Discord to add is to show the number of members on PC version of Discord. Like, why can't we even see how many number of members a server has on my PC, but I can easily see it on mobile version of Discord? Isn't that super weird? The third feature is Report. We already have this feature, but what if I tell you there are 2 versions of it and you're just using the first basic one where there are not many options to select? Plus, many users have said that it doesn't even work. Now, let's check the better version of Report. Thanks to No Text to Speech YouTube channel who found out about it. You just need to type discord.com/report, verify your email, and now see how many options you get to pick. But there's a kicker. This is only for these European countries. Yes, Europe is literally using a different version of Discord. The irony is that this feature is not even in the US, even though it's an American app. But whatever is the reason, I wish Discord makes this feature global. The fourth feature is Orbs in Phone Discord. Wouldn't this be cool if the Orbs feature is also available on phone Discord, considering that most of the people on Discord are 13 to 15-year-old kids who just got their new phones? Granted, you can claim Orbs by using desktop mode on your phone's browser, but you can't do it on the real phone version of Discord. It's not like it isn't possible. I mean, you can literally claim avatar effects on your phone, but not Orbs. I hope they will add this feature soon. Anyway, let me know what features you want Discord to add to make your Discord experience smoother, and which of these were your favorite feature ideas from the video. And hey, if you liked the video, hit the like and subscribe button now and join my Discord server.